what's up? We are back again with another video, and in this one we are going to be talking about one of the most optimized way of managing the state of a particular component in this. So we are going to see a more optimized and a more better way of handling our local states of a component using a small lightweight package known as signals. So we will be making a small counter application, and we will be seeing how we can use and utilize this small lightweight npm package. uh, so let's get started. So I have created a dummy application for you, as you can see, and we will be making a the dummy counter application. So I'll create one button, and I'll name this as add, and here I will create an on click function and set state count is equals to state count plus 1. So we will import state from React, and in here inside the function, inside our component scope, we will declare this state, that is state count, set state count, and initially we will be taking the value as 0. So I will name this as classic counter, and in here I'll give the initial value, that is state count. So this is, we have make a classic counter application which is being handled with this use state. So as you can see, if we click on, so this is a small counter app, and I will show you why we should use signals in React rather than state, because it will help us in a more optimized manner our application state. Also it helps us in the, like, our component will not re-render, it will be rendered only when we want to use it. So I will show you. I'll create a use effect, and we will import this from React, and in here I will type console.log I am running. So I have inspected my this, and when I'll click on add, you can see that it is again and again re-rendering whenever our state is being changed. So when I click on add, you can see that 9 times I am running has been run. So this makes our application very slow. So in order to overcome this situation, we will be using a lightweight package known as Signal. So first of all, you need to go into your terminal and install this npm I React signals React. So I'll attach this npm package installation method in my video description. You can copy it and paste it into your terminal to install this lightweight package and hit enter. So it has been installed in just 4 seconds, and now we will import signal from signals React, and beneath this I will create the same replica of this, and I will name this as signal counter, and we will take the initial state of signal. So const count is equals to signal. So signal is basically we are importing from this package, and in here we will be passing the initial state, that is 0, and in here I will pass this count, and I will replace this with count dot value plus equals to 1. So in order to change the state of this particular signal counter, we need to initialize it. We need to change this using count.value method. So if I'll console the count, then there is a value method which holds this initial value. So in order to grab this, we need to use count.value. Okay. And now let me show you what is the benefit of using signals rather than. So yeah, when I click on add, you can see that 5 times my I am running console has been printed. Okay, so this is being rendered on, and whenever our state gets changed. But when we change the state of this signal counter, you can, oops, have I done anything wrong? Count dot value. Okay, I haven't saved my application. Now it's fine. Yeah. So when I click on classic counter, 13 times my states updated, and again my component re-rendered 13 times. So this makes our application slow. So for more optimized way, we will use this signal. And when I click on signal counter, you can see my state is getting changed, but my component is not getting re-rendered again and again. So this makes our application very optimized, and our component will also be more readable. So I hope you can include this now in your React components, React application, and this might help you a lot in more optimization techniques related to React. So that's all for this video. I hope everyone is clear with this one, and I'll attach all the necessary details related to this particular lightweight package, and you can include it in your applications. So that's all for this video, and I hope you have enjoyed it. So kindly like, share, and subscribe my channel for more amazing content like this. Thank you.